What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect your AirPod to your Windows 11 computer. So right here I have my AirPod. So what you want to do guys is make sure that you have opened up your AirPod. Now once you open it up, what you want to do now is to remove them from the case right here. So guys, now my AirPod has been removed from the case. So what you want to do now is to go to your computer. Now once you go to your computer, you're going to go to click the start button. Then what you want to do is to go to settings. Then where you see right here Bluetooth and device, you're going to click on Bluetooth and device. So you want to make sure that the Bluetooth device is turned on. So I'm going to click on this right here and my Bluetooth device is turned on. Now what you want to do guys is to add a device. So you can do it by clicking add a device right here, or you can add a device up here, anyone that you prefer. So I'm going to add a device. So where you see right here connect a device, you're going to choose right here Bluetooth, and you will see list of available Bluetooth right here. So it is basically searching. So I'm gonna wait until I see AirPod Pro, and that's it right here guys. So I'm gonna connect my AirPod Pro, and as you guys can see right here, my AirPod has now been connected. So all of my audio and those things gonna be through this AirPod right here. So I can listen to music and I can use it to do some voice recording and those things. So voice and music can play through this. So guys, that's how you connect your AirPod Pro to your Windows 11 computer. If this video was helpful, please remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.